That girl shouldn't even be on our team.
I know, she can't even spike.
Who taught her how to play volleyball anyway?
A trash can. Hey! Ugh. Wanna go play volleyball?
Why would we play with you? We don't want to pick up any bad habits.
Hey, coach.
Girls, is there a problem here?
No, coach. Yes, they're saying I can't play volleyball. Oh, God.
I do not tolerate issues like that on my team. You two are off the team. Leave.
No, but coach.
No!
Thanks, coach.
Let this be a lesson to you all that bullying is a bad idea and has horrible consequences. Good night.